Dear students, now we are going to discuss the state model of linear system. So consider this MAMS system, that nth order system as shown in the figure. Here the number of input is m, a number of output is p, and number of state variable is n. So now you have to form the state variable matrix here. See, the mu value will be how to write mu1 of t to mu1 of t in the column wise. Similarly, x of t how to write x1 of t to xn of t, and y of t how to write y1 of t to yp of t. So now here you might know that this u of t is nothing but input vector, and x of t is nothing but state vector, and y of t is nothing but output vector. So all are column vector having orders mx1, nx1 and px1 respectively. So these are the basic consideration we are taking to find the state model of linear system as shown in the figure. So now the next thing what you have to do is you have to find state model for single input and single output system. So here you have to consider m is equal to 1 and p is equal to 1. So for that state model, see this equation x of t is equal to x of t plus by of t, and y of t is equal to cx of t plus dy of t. So here the a value how to take n into n matrix, and b is equal to n into 1 matrix, and c is equal to 1 into n matrix, and d constant. So now the state diagram representation, it is the how to represent the state diagram. So it is a practical representation of the state model derived for the given system. It forms a close relationship among the state model, differential equation of the system and its solution. So here it provides a relationship between state model, differential equation and its solution. So what is the advantage of the state diagram representation is we can to select the variables as physical variables. So the state diagram consists of three basic units. What are the three basic units means? Scalars, adders and integrators. Scalars, adders and integrators. So now see here the state diagram for standard test model. So here we are taking the state diagram for MMO system. So for that you have to write the state equation and output equation. So now you have to denote this parallel integrator, how here they are using, and also here you can check three component scalars, adders, integrator. So in that diagram see the scalars is nothing but the quantitative value here, and that adders many places we are using here adders, and one more thing is integrator. So here we are using for MMO system we are using parallel integrator. Thank you.